Welcome everyone. Today we will discuss about the Wapswap platform. So let's start. Wapswap is an automated market maker on the Binance Smart Chain. They offer a liquidity pool model. Users add pairs of tokens to liquidity pools and earn transaction fees from others who swap their tokens using the pool. They have seen popularity due to the speed and low fees offered by the Binance Smart Chain. Our cryptocurrency is called WAP. You can easily buy and sell it on DEX. You can also swap other tokens for WAP using our swap and liquidity pools. Wapswap will potentially create entirely new financial markets, products, and services. An ecosystem of financial applications that is built on top of blockchain network. Wapswap has a very organized roadmap. Let's take a look at that. December of 2020. Inspection of the concept. January 2021, planning and team building. March 2021, beginning of platform development. August 2021, development of testnet for testing the platform in alpha and beta version. September of 2021, get audited by security partners. November of 2021, launch of Wapswap with swapping, cross-chain swapping, farming, and staking facilities. November of 2021, aggressive marketing plan launch with bounty campaign on Bitcointalk. November 2021, partnership announcement with the financial institutions and other DeFi projects of BSC. November of 2021, listing of decentralized exchanges like PancakeSwap. September 2021, liking the liquidity on immediate basis after public sale. December 2021, new liquidity pools will be added. December 2021, new cross-chain integration for cross-swapping. January 2022, strategic and fair landhead for new projects. February 2022, Android wallet and iOS wallet development, and this will be continued. Now, about the Wapswap deflationary mechanism. At present, WAP is also burned in the following ways. 0.05% of every trade made on Wapswap, 0.5% of every cross-chain swap transaction made on Wapswap, 100% of farming and staking pool rewards is unstake. Harvest or compound is done before 168 hours after staking. 50% emission will be reduced after 4 years until it reaches maximum supply. 230.40 WAP per day is diverted to the lottery wallet and burned. It will be burned every week until we start our lottery feature, and the burning process is currently manual.